All right, buddy, before we touch anything electrical, the first rule is simple. Power off. Every single time. I don't care if it's a house, a boat, or an RV. Electricity doesn't care where you are. This is the main breaker. Turning this off cuts power to the entire system. And I always do this first, no exceptions. Now take a look behind a breaker panel. There are exposed wires, tight spaces, and a lot that can go wrong very fast. That's why we never skip shutting the power off. Anything that is not a house and can be unplugged should be unplugged. If there's a plug, pull it. Redundancy keeps you safe. Even after turning everything off, we still test the wires, because trusting without checking is how people get hurt. Now let's talk about the wire. This is marine wire. It's stranded and tinned. That helps it handle moisture and vibration, and it makes it more flexible. In a house, you'll usually see solid copper wire instead. On a boat, we strip the wire, add ring terminals, and heat shrink them. That's required in marine applications. In a house, solid wire goes straight onto the outlet, no terminals needed. A small loop made with needle nose pliers helps the screw grab tight. Now pay attention to wire colors. Green is ground. It goes on the green screw at the bottom. White is neutral. It goes on the silver screw. Black is hot. It goes on the brass screw. These extra screws are for adding another outlet on the same circuit. On GFI outlets especially, it matters which side is line and which side is load. Line is the power coming in from the breaker. Load sends power out to the next outlet. I like to wrap electrical tape around the outlet. It's a simple habit that adds protection. Someone painting later could accidentally touch a terminal and get shocked. This is how outlets are daisy-chained. One outlet feeds the next, all on the same circuit breaker. Older outlets can look different, but the rule never changes. White to white, black to black, green to green. On boats, red and black can both be hot on 120 volts, but that is not the same on 12-volt systems. Once everything is tight, the outlet goes back into the box, the cover goes on, and we're done. Clean, safe, and done the right way.